I have not Islamized my wife. How can I Islamize Nigeria? Number 2, I have not Islamized Lagos State. How can I Islamize Nigeria? Exactly. And in Revelation I saw, you come down, the revelation I saw, let me read a little bit. I saw in a revelation Senator Shettima with a liquid, something that looks like Hypo. Nigerian flag was stained with blood. And I saw His Excellency holding the flag stained with blood. And I saw His Excellency Shettima with something that looks like a liquid. It was so clear to me. So I'm not surprised of today's meeting. And then His Excellency poured water. And then His Excellency Tinubu dipped the flag. And they began to wash it. And suddenly it was washed off. And I asked him, what is the meaning of that? He said to me, as soon as they step into power 2023, they will wash the blood stain in this nation. Wait, just listen. And number 2, in terms of security, they will stabilize this nation. To be honest with you, this is the revelation I saw. So I am not surprised of this meeting. It was clear and glaring. We will move to the 36th state. We have a mandate to affect 500 churches. It's here. So we will sensitize the 36th state, some of the Christians that we have been arguing with them. This is the revelation I saw. They are not coming to Islamize Nigeria. If he was unable or he has not Islamized his own wife, how can he Islamize Nigeria? Let's give them benefit of doubt. 2023 is on the ground. I believe if they come to power, I am telling you, Nigeria will be better than America. God bless you, and God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria.